Democratic Senate candidate Joe Sestak from Pennsylvania was quoted Wednesday saying he supports Bob Casey's union pension bailout bill. Casey, also a Democrat for Pennsylvania, is the senator behind a bill that could shift the cost burden of failing private multi-employer pension plans to the Pension Benefit Guaranty Corporation. In essence, what we're talking about here is a government bailout for unions. Let's meet our panel. Larry Winget is a motivational speaker in Phoenix. Yudi Chang is the chief trader and sole principal of Ace Investments. And Jennifer Gruber is a small business entrepreneur. Yudi, let me start with you. What do you think of this?
Absolutely so. I'm sure as a red-blooded, wholehearted socialist, I'm sure we'll love this program. Let's do this. Of course not. I mean, absolutely not. Don't you think we should have many other things to do? Maybe fix the federal deficit first, or our Social Security first, before we go another $126 billion into the debt again? Absolutely not.
Jennifer, what do you think?
Well, it's an interesting thing. Joe Sestak is from where I'm from. He's my representative in my area. And the area is a very Republican area. But it's an interesting play because he's really tried to play both sides of the fence. But this seems like such a union play that he wants those votes coming in.
Seems. Larry, help me out here. Like, we're talking about bailing out union pensions. Do you want your tax dollars going for that?
No, there are bad ideas, really bad ideas, and horrible ideas, and this fits in that category. The bill even says that pension funds would become the obligation of the United States. The last thing in the world the United States needs right now is more obligations. We already have obligations we can't pay for. You know, if a person brought me their financial picture and it looked anything like that of the United States right now, I would say no more. And that's exactly what we need to say to this. No more.
Well, I can't believe Sestak is being so public in his support. Fascinating story. Here's another one. A top aide to California Senator Barbara Boxer was arrested Tuesday.